Let's talk about how you can make an inexpensive waterproof touring bag for your Brompton that transforms into a backpack without needing any tools. While touring, we carry most of our belongings in our front bag. It's easy to install and remove and makes the bicycle feel more stable. The problem with these bags is that they can be annoying to carry off the bike. Thus the appeal of a front bag that can be used as a backpack. There are some ready-made solutions on the market, but they can be expensive. Another characteristic that can be important for touring bags is water resistance. Ortlib makes waterproof bags for conventional bikes that tourers can rely on, and Gilbert has used them as a basis for DIY front bags for his Brompton, as we showed in a previous video. The drawback is that they're awkward to carry off the bike. The Burrow Waterproof Backpack offers both waterproofness and backpack capability, but its capacity is only 17 liters, and at $300, it's costly. Using this design as inspiration, we decided to build our own bag with items from our local Decathlon store. Our basic requirements were 20 to 25 liter capacity, fully waterproof without the need for a rain cover, easy to attach and remove from the luggage frame we already own, remain usable as a backpack, no tools required, and finally, inexpensive. We started with this backpack from the water sport department, priced at about $40 US. It's the Itiwit 20-liter bag with built-in compression straps. The straps were designed to attach onto a kayak, but they can also anchor it securely to a Brompton luggage frame. Although the bag has no pockets on the outside, it does have two internal pockets, one with a zipper. It closes by a roll top with quick-release buckles. This type of closure mechanism doesn't adjust easily when you need to squeeze more items in your bag, for example, after a visit to the supermarket. To solve this issue, we purchased a pair of Decathlon quick-release buckles for $3, and using pieces of webbing we already owned, created a short extension that can be used whenever we need more volume. It does partially compromise the bag's waterproofness, so it's more useful in good weather. The bag can be securely attached to C and S-type luggage frames by wrapping the compression strap around the frame and back to the front of the bag. No tools are required. Like the Burrow backpack, it's mounted sideways, which makes it awkward to access the contents while cycling. We added a Decathlon Riverside fabric water cage to the back of the luggage frame to carry a water bottle. There's still room for a second one, which could be used for more water or for stashing small items. For convenient access to daily items, we also attach a separate waterproof bag to our handlebar. The frame can remain in position while worn as a backpack, but it may be more comfortable to reposition the frame to the front of the bag. The total empty weight, including the frame and water bottle holder, is approximately 1.2 kilograms, which is 20% lighter than the smaller Burrow waterproof backpack. We tested this setup during a recent trip in Sicily, where we more or less followed the Cibit Trail from Trapani to Catania for a total of about 800 kilometers, a pleasant route for an easy autumn cycling tour. The DIY bag performed flawlessly and could be a great solution for those on a budget who want a fully waterproof 20-liter bag. Decathlon also sells a 30-liter bag, which would work just as well. The smaller volume fits our style of touring, where we stay in bed and breakfast in small hotels instead of camping. Its capability to survive watery environments is an added bonus, as our adventures sometimes take us off the bike trail. I will continue to use my trusty sea bag, which offers a similar volume, but easier access to the contents via the large top flap. I don't mind securing the rain cover when the weather turns bad, which wasn't much of an issue in Sicily. Gilbert, on the other hand, will likely continue his quest for the ultimate touring bag. We hope this video will give you some ideas for creating your own touring bag. If you already use a DIY solution, please share it in the comments below. We'd also like to hear if you've toured with folding bikes in Sicily. We're Pam and Gilbert from Two Bikes for Adventure.